Let's talk about what's happening in India Alliance. The Sankat is brewing from Bihar to Bengal. The rift is widening. Nitish Kumar, who keeps the opposition bloc guessing in Bihar, may make the next government with BJP. Hectic parlays to back-to-back meetings dominated the entire day. The difference between the JDU and RJD was on full public display during the Republic Day function. The two leaders were sitting some distance away. And we'll put that photo so that you understand what we are talking about. There you go. Nitish Kumar, the chief minister. Then there's an empty chair. And then you have Tejasvi Surya. This happened in Patna. Tejasvi Yadav, I beg your pardon. This was a rush hour at Lalu Yadav's home. Nitish held a closed-door meeting with his netas in Delhi. Amit Shah met Bihar BJP leaders. Cut to Bengal. Congress alleges that the party is facing problems getting permission to organize public meetings as part of Rahul's Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra. The TMC has justified denying permission in Punjab. The fight is on between the Aam Aadmi Party that rules the state and the Congress Party. Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann has made it clear to the Congress that it won't contest polls in alliance with the Congress Party. The bigger question is the writing on the wall for Team India ahead of the polls? Let's open this up. Sanju Verma, the national spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party. GM Shaheen, senior leader of the JDU, will be joining us, and Shubhankar Bhattacharya is on the show, political analyst. Sanju Verma, Rahul Gandhi's Nyaya Yatra began with Milind Deora quitting. Then you had Ashok Tanwar, who left the party, joined the BJP. Mr. Shettar went to the Congress, he's returned. Now Nitish Kumar. And the way things are going, I don't know how long this will last.
You know, Pranesh, we've heard of the saying, uneasy lies the head that wears the crown. But yahan par there's been an uneasy calm within the ... alliance right from the word go. I'll just take you back a couple of weeks. Remember when Mallikarjun Kharge was made the chairperson of the ... alliance, the convener position was offered to Nitish Kumar, but he declined. And I think that was the beginning of the start of this entire chain of reactions leading to the current situation, which has now burgeoned into something which is beyond repair. I think let's be very clear. If you notice, Pranesh, on December 6th, December 8th, December 19th, and then January 13th, 2024, there were 4 important meetings, virtual and physical, that were held by the ... alliance. And I noticed something very, very, surprising. There were 2 leaders who were conspicuous by their absence in all these 4 meetings. One was Mamta Banerjee and one was Akhilesh Yadav. If you notice, even Akhilesh Yadav 48 hours back has said that he was not invited for the Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra. Speaking of Mamta Banerjee, she has always made it clear from day one that she was not interested in ceding even an inch to the Congress. She's always maintained that baki sab jagah aapko jo ladna hai alliance mein jo karna hai kariye, but Bengal is my bastion. She was willing to let go of only 2 seats, Malda South and Berhampur, which the Congress won in any case in 2019. Right. I always say that an alliance is only good if you capitalize on each other's strengths and you are willing to accommodate each other's weaknesses. But here, as you rightly said in your introduction, Mamta Banerjee says, I will contest all the 42 seats in Bengal. Bhagwant Singh Mann says, I will contest all the 13 seats in Punjab. Akhilesh Yadav, I'm sure, will say, zyada se zyada 4-5 seaten denge. They've already said that we will give RLD about 8 to 9 seats. Bacha kya? 7 mein se shayad Congress ko 3 ya 4 bhi de de to badi baat ho jayegi. And then look at the left. I bet you the left will say we will contest all the 20 seats in Kerala because that is the only state where they currently are in power. Now, so my limited point is, I will just take 10 seconds. The reason why the Congress finds itself isolated is because of 2 things. A, the big brother attitude of Rahul Gandhi, and B, if you look at India's political history, be it the I.K. Gujral government, the Deve Gowda government, or the Chandrasekhar government, all these prime ministers had their governments pulled down by whom? By the Congress. So the Congress is always the weak link in the chain and the Achilles heel, which nobody trusts and nobody wants to lay its bet on.
GM Shaheen, राहुल गांधी न्याय यात्रा पे भरोसा नहीं है नीतीश कुमार जी को?
Pranish, there is a proverb of Ghalib. हमको मालूम है जन्नत की हकीकत, लेकिन दिल को खुश रखने के लिए गालिब ख्याल अच्छा है. See, Pranish, nothing has come officially. Neither any of our party spokesperson or any senior leader has spoken anything about the alliance. So to say prayer will not be good, but let us see.
नहीं तो ये अगर शेर मैं आपको ही बोल दूं कि ये ख्याल अच्छा है, गालिब की ऑफिशियल कुछ आया नहीं,
गुड,
तो तब आप क्या कहेंगे? शाहीन साहब, आप देख लीजिए जो बयान अभी तक दिए जा रहे हैं, वहां एक कुर्सी छोड़ के बैठ रहे हैं नीतीश जी। वो कुर्सी किसके लिए रखा है?
नहीं अब क्या करें, वो नहीं आते हैं तो व्हाट विल, हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं उसमें? इफ समबडी इज नॉट कमिंग,
No, but now more seriously, Shaheen Saab, the kind of comments, after Bharat Ratna was given to Karpuri Thakur, Nitish Kumar ने बोला कि I thank Prime Minister Modi. उन्होंने ये भी कहा कि 2007 से ये मेरी डिमांड रही है, यूपीए 1, यूपीए 2 ने नहीं दिया। लालू प्रसाद यादव जी उसमें उसके पार्ट थे। फिर उन्होंने डायनेस्टिक पॉलिटिक्स पे भी बोला कि कर्पूरी ठाकुर ने कभी उसको बढ़ावा नहीं दिया। क्या कहना क्या चाह रहे हैं वो?
Pranish, one thing is clear that you had when जब हम बीजेपी से अलग हो गए थे, but till उस दिन से लेकर आज तक you had never heard anything कि हमने प्राइम मिनिस्टर के खिलाफ कुछ कहा होगा, या हमारी पार्टी ने या हमारे लीडरों ने। नेवर वी हैड, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली जो चीज ठीक है दैट्स गुड, और उसकी तारीफें क्यों ना की
तो
जाए।
अगर प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी ठीक है शाहीन साहब, तो इंडिया अलायंस में आप कर क्या रहे हैं? वापस आ जाइए प्रधानमंत्री के पास। अगर वो ठीक है तो उनके खिलाफ लड़ने क्यों जा रहे हैं आप?
नहीं फ्रेंड्स, सी क्या कहते हैं, एज आई टोल्ड यू अर्लियर दैट नथिंग हैज कम ऑफिशियली।
Okay, Shubhankar Bhattacharya,
to say anything.
Shaheen साहब, obviously, I don't want to put him in a spot. अब उनको पता नहीं है पार्टी हाईकमांड क्या डिसाइड करेगी। But what do you make of what is happening in Team India, sir?
See, Pranesh, there is nothing much to read between the lines, and we are overreading, I think, in it कि भाई नीतीश जी किसके लिए चेयर रख रहे हैं, और दीदी का कांग्रेस के साथ। अभी तक मैं सुन रहा था द लेडी फ्रॉम द बीजेपी, वो कंटिन्यूअसली अभी तक इधर से सारे पार्टीज के बारे में बोल गई कांग्रेस के। क्या बता पाएंगे कि बीजेपी ने अपने जो घटक दल हैं उनके अलायंस में, या उन्होंने अपना पूरा तोड़ दिया है अलायंस? और अगर अलायंस है तो उनको कौन कौन सी सीट्स दी? आपने अपने घटक दल को कितना सम्मान दिया, कितना मान दिया, उनको कितना एडजस्ट किया, उनको आपने कितनी जगह दी? क्या ये आप वो बताएंगे?
अरे शुभांकर जी, मैं आपको संजू वर्मा बिफोर शी रिस्पॉन्स, मैं एक बार अगर आप बुरा ना माने, मैं बस इतना कहना चाहूंगा कि इससे बड़ा प्रूफ क्या हो सकता है कि जीएम शाहीन, हु रिप्रेजेंट्स द जेडीयू, हु इज नॉट पार्ट ऑफ द एनडीए, इज प्रेजिंग द प्राइम मिनिस्टर। आप घटक दल तो छोड़ ही दीजिए। संजू वर्मा, रेस्पॉन्ड।
ओके, अच्छा, शुभांकर जी ने एक बहुत अच्छी बात कही कि बीजेपी ने अपने घटक दल में जो बाकी अलायंस पार्टनर्स हैं उनको कितनी अहमियत दी, उनका कितना आदर सम्मान किया। Now I did not heckle him, Pranesh, please.
No, let us speak, sir, please. One after another. I'll give you the last word.
You asked the question, now please. आपने पूछा बीजेपी ने कितना आदर सम्मान किया, बीजेपी ने अपने घटक दल में किसको कितनी अहमियत दी। So I think, Pranesh, this entire agenda of the opposition की कुछ भी हो, प्रॉब्लम इनके डॉट डॉट अलायंस में है, पर कटघरे में बीजेपी को खड़ा करके सवाल ये करते हैं। टुडे इट इज नॉट द बीजेपी व्हिच नीड्स टू आंसर क्वेश्चंस, टुडे इट इज द डॉट डॉट अलायंस व्हिच वाज सेइंग हम तो मोदी को हरा देंगे। पर आई टेल यू, तीसरी बार मोदी सरकार और 400 पार, बिकॉज आई टेल यू there is nothing called an opposition. The opposition has reduced itself to a joke. I tell you, does Mamata Banerjee have any presence outside Bengal? No. She said, हम तो त्रिपुरा में सरकार बनाएंगे। BJP got 32 seats, TMC got 0 seats. TMC ने कहा हम गोवा में सरकार बनाएंगे। BJP formed the government in Goa despite a 15-year-old so-called anti-incumbency. TMC got 0 seats. My limited point is that the TMC is not able to see the larger picture beyond Bengal.
Okay, let me then bring him in. Mr. Bhattacharya, do you believe TMC can still go ahead with the Congress party?
Before I even commence, Pranesh, can I ask you, will I be allowed to finish my sentence? Then you allow me to speak.
I will, sir. I will. You will have the time and liberty. Please go ahead.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Because see, we are the underrated one on the media. So I completely understand that she enjoys the complete majoritarianism even on the
इसमें तो
channel as well.
majoritarianism
But
मत लाइए.
anyways, let me finish it. Number one,
These guys
again,
suffer from
I'm
inferiority complex.
No, no,
this
no,
is
no.
the
Sanju
thing.
Verma, please
the
let him
moment Sanju
speak. Please.
speaks, you go
Please.
completely mum.
Suffering from
And
No, no, no.
कभी भी
Sanju
कोई
Verma, please
दूसरा-
let him make his point.
and
Please
you won't
fade us
allow
down,
me
please.
to speak even.
Shubhankar
So how to
Bhattacharya.
answer your question?
Yeah, go ahead, sir.
Right. So when you asked Sanju Verma question, she had completely commented continuously on dot alliance. Though there are two dots also, it comes in NDA as well. But I guess she doesn't read it much. Now, the second part is, where do you actually read the differences in India alliance? Whatever is happening in it, say, let's talk about the sheet sharing in Bengal. That is just about because the stakeholders in India Alliance are all the winners. You see, the TMC has ruling in Bengal. There is Aam Aadmi Party in Punjab. That is because this is the reason why the India Alliance might be having some problems while in this pre-poll sharing. But even if a pre-poll structure is not up, then also India Alliance stands strongly in a post-poll alliance as well.
Okay, I
Number
salute your
two,
optimism. I
when
just
we
want to
talk
end
about,
by
say,
I just want to end by saying I don't have much time, sir. Please, GM शाहीन ने जो गालिब की बात कही थी वो यहाँ पे भी ये भी ख्याल अच्छा है. ममता बनर्जी बोल रही है कांग्रेस से नहीं के साथ नहीं जाएंगे. But Mr. Bhattacharya is saying we can have something after the polls. Now, viewers, before we end, there are three important meetings tomorrow in Patna. The Bihar. The BJP in Bihar is meeting all the MLAs. The Congress has an important meeting in Purnia, and Lalu Yadav has asked all MLAs to be present for a crucial meeting. Let's see what happens there. Thanks for watching.